ETH, we start with monthly chart. You want to see whether we can get any reversal or not. Anyway, we didn't have really much update for the ETH because as we knew, we are within the downtrend. From now, we want to see. We check the market. We want to see whether we can get any reversal or not. As we can see, the price tagged all-time high. Still, we are within this downtrend. Okay. By the way, from now we check the chart. We try to check the chart daily, and every day we want to see whether we can get any opportunity for buy or not. And if we move to weekly chart, first things, as we can, the price tag the previous top, broke the previous top and broke the previous low. And we have this one as an expanding flat, as what I explained for the Bitcoin, because they have a similar movement. All right. We don't like the expanding flat because we can expect this one continue and drop as much. I mean, drop some more. Even we can expect the price enter the previous zone because it can expand. All right. That's why if anyone wants to look for buy, they have to look for their reversal point. And based on weekly chart, I mean, if you refer to the indicators, we don't see any divergence yet. And even if you move to the daily chart, one of the indicators showing us a divergence, but the another one, we don't see any divergence yet. That's mean, even if we refer to our analysis, we had this one as a correction relative to this. And the third wave is still, we can expect this one give us some more drop before we see the reversal as a long term. Okay. That's why we have to look for the trade setup. Any trade, if you want to get the full buy based on lower time frame, we consider as a short term. And based on daily, I don't see any trade setup yet. And we are if the price reverses as a corrective, the possibility for the next drop is very high. And it's good for us to get the next drop following by divergence. It can give us better opportunity to look for buy based on the daily chart. It doesn't mean the price cannot reverse from here. The best option if the price can want to reverse from here as a short move, not the corrective move. Because if they reverse as a corrective, any opportunity for buy will be really short term. And mostly we can get the break-even trades. All right. And if I move to week forward chart, all right, again, we don't see really good trade setup. And at this point, if anyone wants to look for buy, we can expect this one turn to a flat as a first correction for one move up. That means any opportunity for buy from here will be a short term, because from there, it will follow by divergence, then we can expect for the next drop. Unless, that means if you get any opportunity for buy as a one move up, is a short term, unless this one turn to a deeper correction. Because if this one turn to a deeper correction, then we cannot put in relative to what we have here. Okay. Again, my suggestion, if anyone wants to look for buy, they have to look for the trade setup. Simply, we will not take the trade. And as I mentioned, we don't have any trade setup based on forward chart. And even if you move to 1 hour chart, similar explanation. Having entry above this can be an option, but it's not a really good idea. It depends on the strategy the traders they use. But if the price continue and drop, tag the previous low. In that case, if you want to consider this one as a flat, then having entry above this can be an option. But at this point, we don't see any trade setup. Anyway, we just follow the chart. I will try to check the charts more. And if I get any opportunity for buy as a long term, then I will update. Thanks.